Doesn't it drive you crazy when you finish your card? It's all beautiful, except you cannot stop looking at that fingerprint or smudge or just little imperfection on the card and trying to figure out how to cover it up. Friends, there's always a way to fix our mistakes. Handmade cards are never going to be perfect, and that makes them handmade and heartfelt. But when you get a smudge or something you want to cover up, there's lots of different ways to fix it. Let's take a look at one of them today. Here are a few cards I made for a recent tutorial. I get them all done, and what happens? I end up with a little tiny fingerprint smudge from the gray ink from my greeting right over here on this tag. Now, on this card in particular, I could actually add a little bit of adhesive under there and cover it up with the bow. But let's look at when you have a spot right out in the middle of a card and you're not sure how to cover it up, what can you do? One thing you can do is use a white gel pen to cover it up. This is fantastic. I just love, there's tons of ways to use white gel pens for decorative purposes, to write on dark cardstock, but you can also use them for this fantastic purpose, which is to cover up imperfections. This still needs to dry, so it will change a little bit here as it dries, but I don't know if you can see on this, it's going to be just barely visible, but if you don't know the mistake is there, the person you're sending it to is not going to be staring at that little spot that they won't even notice. So that's one great use for a white gel pen in your crafting collection. If you want information on the card projects I shared, I'll put a link in the video description below. You can go and check out that tutorial. If you don't want to miss out on my future tip videos, make sure you are subscribed and you've hit the little bell to get the notifications when I release future videos. Please like and comment. I really appreciate that. Thank you, friends. I hope you will be back again next time when I'll be here helping you to hand make with love.